awfully wonderful if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and possibly give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.
Look at the guy. You don't know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can't believe this. Paul. Wonderful.
Mary Beth.
There's still a friend, and Mary Beth from Christian County, Kentucky. We're just pulling out. Yeah, we're just pulling out a gas station. I knew she'd turn up. But the MB Rowlands gang.
Oh yeah, this is where we came in and sat. We pulled around.
We did, yeah.
Took the needle sign.
Yeah. That's a cool Jeep they've got, isn't it? That is cool. That is.
We were thinking this one has the needles and Route 66 on it. It's kind of a...
We stopped and took pictures yesterday when we came in.
We came on today.
This is an old Harvey house.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is the train station when the Harvey girls worked here or something like that.
Hello. He kept talking. He wanted to ask directions to Route 66 of this young lady.
That's funny, yeah. I was doing what I was doing.
Look at him.
I know, and I was thinking, why do I want to look at him? I was thinking.
Yeah, this is Johnny Warner.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi there. I'm.
He's the one.
Oh, I'm not going to bother you.
No. Sorry. Well, I was just,
He's the one I took the brandy to.
Anyway,
Okay.
we'll give up on that. We'll give up on that.
Okay, very cool. Nice
Lovely
meeting you.
meeting you. Yeah, lovely.
Hello again.
Hi again, Paul. And I'm sorry I didn't recognise you.
Say hello.
I was looking at your
that's
beautiful
okay,
wife
Mr.
and
Paul,
thinking,
no
why do I need
problem.
to look at this old bloke?
Her shirt, Johnny. He was commenting about he liked y'all's Jeep.
Oh,
Your
yeah.
Jeep is one. Oh,
But
that's
look
great.
at her shirt.
Thank you.
I like my whiskey.
On the
Jeep
rocks.
on the
rocks.
Oh,
On the
yeah,
rocks.
clever.
That's why I'm dressed like
Clever.
this. We love going hiking out here. There's a lot of petroglyphs. There's a picture canyon right back in Pullman City area.
So you're regulars out there. This is,
Oh, yeah.
We leave our RV parked out here. We've got a business that we're opening on Route 66.
Yeah, Jim said that's really good.
Yeah, it's 30
I think
minutes.
we're
And
doing
it's
a couple
packed.
this morning.
Yeah.
I was
noticing
I was
that.
saying
Pros
the
and
best brandy
But
in
look
the
what we have
world.
to have.
But you've got to snap it up quick.
That's the
Yeah,
one.
so, and I said you were
We
opening
had a toast. We
place
said
over
we
there.
got to keep this for Santa Monica. We looked at it and we thought, we got to toast Adrian halfway.
That's
so we did a
awesome,
little
yeah.
toast of that. And
That is so cool.
that's got to wait. Well, it'll be a big toast in Santa Monica. Well, we can drink some now.
That's
No,
awesome.
we're okay.
No. I just
Hey,
wanted to
Jim.
get the photo.
Jim, we got to get that. Look at this. This is what you should be drinking on Route 66.
Or anywhere else.
These are the wonderful distillers of it.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, so
What do
let's
you
see. I want the sign in back. He's on his car. Why don't you slide? You guys
We could
slide
do the
in.
hillbilly car thing like this.
Yeah. We want to turn it the other way round, Jim.
Oh, that, well,
We want the cars backed up, don't we? We want the cars backed up, so
Oh.
we got the sign in the background.
It's fine. I'm actually thinking more about the people and the sign and everything
You're
with
the photographer.
cars.
You tell us what
You
to
go
do.
over there by Jim. Y'all make yourself comfortable. No, exactly.
The only reason we needed anything fixed is because I've been driving this in Jeep mode. No one knows there's a Jeep mode on this thing.
A Jeep mode?
Yeah, a little button. It's hidden, well hidden.
Button right
Are
up
you
under
serious?
there.
Yeah.
I'm dead serious. I drive like it's a Jeep sometimes. I used to have a Jeep, old
Right.
46 Willys.
Right.
And I've driven everything I've ever had like a Jeep. I had a F-150 as high up as that is, 5-speed. But, you know, you get on old 66, and there's some really old
Oh, yeah.
roads. We've
Oh,
driven
yeah.
some gravel, but we drove one that was just like this, and had
Yeah.
a lot of cattle things on it. Well, one of those was not like this. It was like, and there was a bad cattle grate at the bottom, and broke the back muffler.
Ooh.
Weld. It didn't break the muffler or the weld. It jerked the bolt through the floorboard, through the back.
Okay.
So we wired it up, you know, and got it all fixed up and going, and limped along. Put a thing on there. Anybody got a garage or something? Well, Dave Grassy had already indicated he had a place, but he was in Kingman, and we were like 3 days from Kingman, 2.5, 3 days from Kingman. So we.
I'm taking a photo of your car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Want me to get off?
I'm in a Route 66 group on Facebook.
How are you?
And I'll put it on there
Okay.
because a lot of people really get.
turn signals. Need to adjust your mirror because I can't see.
of driving in Route 66, baby.
Slovakia. Bye, have a great trip.
Thank you very much for watching, much appreciated. It'd be lovely if you could subscribe and give a thumbs up. Many thanks, Johnny Warner.